Hey guys, RGV here, and I'm showing you how to use Essential Signs, a plugin for Bukkit servers. Alright guys, let's get to it. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to head over to plugins.bukkit.org. I will put a link in the description below for you guys. So what you're going to type in is Essentials. Click right there and search it. It's going to be the first one that comes up. Just going to click right here and go to this download right to the right of it. And you're going to click download. It's going to come up as a zip file in your downloads. I'll let that download for a second there and drag it just right onto your desktop. And you can close out of your browser. You'll be done with that. What you're going to do is open up your server folder, go into plugins, and I already have the zip file in here, so I'm not going to put it in. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to drag the zip file in there, and then you're going to right click it. Here, I'll just do it again for you guys. You are going to... Actually, I'm not going to do it because it'll mess up my server with all the essentials in there. But you're not going to have anything like essentials folders or anything. You're just going to drag it in there, right click it like that, and then extract here, and it'll put everything in there. And then you delete the zip file out of there, and just keep the jar files in there. So after it's in there, you're going to go back to your thing and run the server. And you're going to let that run up. And then once it's run, you go back into your plugins and you have an essentials folder. You're going to go into your essentials folder and go to the config, because this is for signs, and you're going to scroll down until you see essentials global, and you're going to want to scroll down until you see player commands, you see kits, and you see enabled signs. You see all these, and they're gonna have like a hashtag, and then that, and they're gonna be all like that in green. Which you have to delete the hashtag and put a dash there, so they all look like that, and it'll be black. So then after they're all like that, you're gonna do File, Save, and you can exit out of the config. And then you go back to your plugins, and you also need Group Manager or any other kind of permissions thing. And I'm going to go into it, worlds, your world name, and then groups. And for whatever group you want to have access to it, you're going to have to go to their name, and you're going to have to do, like, it's all right here. So you'll hit enter, and it'll be like that. But if that's a tab and you don't want that, you have to delete the tab and then go space, 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 and then dash, space again, and then type essentials dot signs dot use, and then dot whatever you want them to be. They could be balance signs, buy signs, sell signs, enchant signs, all the ones you see listed right there. So, and if you delete something, make sure you delete the full way all the way back so there's no enter. And after you have all that selected for the desired group, you want to have permission to do this. Save it, exit out of that, connect out of your server folder, reload your server, and we're going to go into Minecraft. Okay, ooh, don't want to click that. You're going to log in. Multiplayer, go to your server. Okay, so we'll be right here. I'll do /spawn, we'll say. So this is my spawn. As you can see, there's warp signs already. So I'm opt, so I can do everything. So I don't need permission. So what you're going to want to do for a warp sign is warp in brackets. The brackets have to be there. Enter. And then whatever the warp name is, we'll say PvP, and then there's the warp, and then you have to give people permission to use them. You just do like warp. I forget what the permission is. You could probably find that on another video on YouTube. But they would have to right click it and it would take them to the warp. So slash back. So that's a warp sign. And then for a buy sign, you would do bracket buy, bracket again, the amount you're selling. So we'll just do 5. The item name diamond, and then we'll sell it for say 20. No, that's too much. We'll sell it for like 2,500, and then do that. So that's what it'll look like if it's correct for all signs. But if it's wrong, we'll do like buy diamond 52500. If it's wrong, it'll come up with a red buy, so you'll know it's wrong. It'll say invalid sign in the chat box. But if it's right, they'll right click it and it'll give them 5 diamonds and take out the 2,500. So it's the same for that, and you should only do this for admins and people you want building your shop. But you could do sell, same thing as buy, amount, item name, and then the price. We'll sell it for like, we'll just say 5 just for the tutorial. Then they'll right click it and then it'll take it away so they don't have it anymore. And then another one you can do is enchant the item you want to able to be enchanted. So you can just do any the item thing, so sharpness, and then we'll do 5, and the price it would cost, we'll just do like, and you have to have the dollar sign in front of your prices or else it won't work. So we'll just do a big number, and you just go to the item you want enchanted, and then boom, it'll have sharp 5 on it. So that's sharp. So that's enchanting. You could do, and then color signs, if you have them, what you would do is the and sign, the color, number, or letter that it is. You can look that up somewhere. You could look up sign color codes or something like that in Google or YouTube. Let's do 3 is teal, and like a letter could be L is bold, O is italicized, I think N is underlined. We'll just do bold, will be like hi YouTube, and then it'll be teal and bolded, as you can see I did with all the signs in the shop. And then those are warp signs over there. More color signs. Here's my shop. So you do sell, buy, and we have a few over here, enchant, and then we have repair. What you would do for repair is bracket repair. You can either have hand, which only repairs what they have in their hand, or all, which repairs everything in their inventory at the time when they click it. I'll just do hand, and then the price we'll do 10,000, and then boom, if we do /gms, use our pickaxe, or X, sorry, this is gonna take a while, break a cobble. It has a little bit of damage on it right there, you see. Click that, and it's brand new. So that's pretty much all of them. You can look it up somewhere. If you can look up permissions to give them if you want to do some other stuff. This was just essential signs. There's other essentials that like essentials spawn and like other commands you can give them. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.